The shot clock is turned off. The Miami Heat are once again NBA champions. LeBron James.
It's about damn time. It's about damn time.
This time last summer, hit a bump in the road, felt a little blunder. We back at it, yo, with a full-blown mission to smash the competition, knew our premonition. First they gave us the Pacers, then they gave us the Celtics, then they gave us the Thunder. We hit them with the lightning. Now you see the three kings, feeling just like some titans. Dream was all in the making, now we holding the title. Yeah, it's twice as vital. LeBron James, Dwayne Wade, Chris Bosh, sitting in the melting pot. Now we seize the moment, man, we rising on top. Rising on top, niggas are sneak dissing. Now they are gone fishing. That's what you get when your team is efficient. Who's next? Tell me, who's next? Matter of fact, catch the index.
Man, this process is unbelievably hard, and I don't care who you put on a team. To be a champion, it would be the hardest thing you do in sports. So, 2 years ago, putting this team together, obviously we all expected it to be a little easier than it was, but we had to go through what we had to go through last year.
Let's go.
Had to go through it, silence the critics, defy gravity, motion of the physics. Mario Chalmers, Mike Miller, Shane Battier, gave him a matinee. The Showtime at the Apollo. Spoon-fed them a defeat, now they can't even swallow. Now they on Twitter pages, now they won't even follow.
Yes, man.
There is no tomorrow, now we starting to ride, just like 2 Chainz. Coming the next year, winning another reign. Another reign, wins we sustain, damaging other teams, like hurricanes. Heat music, this is heat music, smoking the Mark Cubes. While the haters are having fluctuations and continuations of losing. You useless, we do this.
I dreamed about this opportunity and this moment for a long time, including last night, including today. My dream has become a reality now, and it's the best film I've ever had. The fact that I have a family, a fiance, 2 kids, supporting cast, supporting family, around me. It took me to go all the way to the top and then hit rock bottom, basically to to realize what I needed to do, as a professional athlete and as a person, I'm just happy that I was able to be put back in this position.